In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage automatic list detection in Google Docs, a handy feature when composing documents. For those unfamiliar, Google Docs often anticipates when you're trying to create a list and starts formatting it for you automatically. While useful, this feature can sometimes interfere with your workflow. Fortunately, you can easily disable it, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, let's navigate to Google Docs on your computer. Once you're on a document you want to adjust, pay a visit to the top menu bar. You'll notice several options there, but for now our focus will be on the Tools option. Go ahead and click on it. The Tools menu is a treasure trove of useful features that can enhance your document's functionality, ranging from word count to spelling and grammar checks. And importantly, it provides access to preferences. After you've clicked on Tools, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you're going to look for the Preferences option. Once you spot it, click on Preferences. This is where you'll find various settings that let you customize the behavior of Google Docs to better suit your needs. Now that you're in the Preferences window, take a glance at the list of checkboxes. These boxes govern the automatic functions of your document editor. What you're looking for is the option labeled Automatically Detect Lists. When this box is checked, Google Docs will anticipate and automatically format any text that resembles a list. If you often type information that gets misinterpreted as a list, this functionality might not be desirable. So what you want to do next is to uncheck that box. Simply click on it to remove the check mark. It's always a good idea to review these kinds of settings to ensure that your document editor aligns with your personal preferences and the specific demands of your writing tasks. Once you've unchecked the box, it's as simple as clicking on OK at the bottom of the window. This action saves your changes and updates how Google Docs behaves. You're almost done. With these changes, the software will no longer automatically convert your lines into lists, and with that, you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully adjusted the automatic list detection settings in Google Docs. It's a small change, but one that can make a significant difference in your typing experience, especially for those working on documents that require specific formatting. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes working in Google Docs that much smoother. Thanks for watching and happy writing.